Hello everyone. I'm just going to show you one of the things that'll be on the giveaway. So let's take a look at it. And I did unbox it because I want to make sure it was okay. So you got a foldable handle here and you just squeeze it to put the handle back over the top. It's a vented lid. And they've kind of changed these. This has a nice rubber tab on it. It used to be hard plastic because I have one. So what you get with it, and there's that. This tells you how to take care of it. So what you get with it is two cups. Two plastic cups. They're nice plastic cups. And they changed that too because it used to be a darker green. And then here is your container. So you can use that when you're outdoors doing different things. And there we go. The Stanley 2-cup Cookset. So I'm going to be giving one of those away. And I'll show you. Here's the difference. Here's mine. See, the green used to be darker. Alright. So that's all I have. But this will be coming up very soon. Sorry, I'm way behind in getting that 3K giveaway out. So you don't need to comment on this one, but I will have all the stuff and show you, and then you can leave your comment. And some of you know who watched my crazy mountain trip. Here is the stove. And look at that. I fried the igniter. Oh, it's fried. And I took the gas bottle off because it did smell like gas when I brought it home. And who in the heck puts a stove upside down? Well, I did. Yeah, it's supposed to go this way. There's nothing wrong with that stove. I will get another one. But yeah, this is how it should have went. But yeah, I really messed up that day. Oh my God, I still can't believe I did that. It's not like I haven't been around stoves, because I have. I have a MSR Whisper Light and a couple others, but yeah, it's not the stove's fault. It's Sheila's fault for putting it upside down. Alright, I just wanted to show one of the things I'll be giving away. So this will be it. And I want to say I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving with your friends and family. Enjoy your day, whatever you may be doing. Most important thing is being thankful for what you have. All right. Happy Thanksgiving.